Hey everybody, this is Dan Prey from Motoprimo Motorsports in Lakeville, Minnesota, and today I'm actually going to ride a 2017 Switchback Assault 800. I've had it warming up for a few minutes here, so we should be all ready to go. Now this is going to be a light ride, obviously. I'm not going to get going too crazy here, but just show you what it's kind of like. So I already got it fired up, warmed up, 122 degrees on the clock. Everything's good to go. We don't really need heated grips or anything right now, so let's just go for a little ride. Well, snowmobiles don't really work that well on pavement, but you know what, we'll scoot across here real quick and we'll get actually into the snow. It's like 45 degrees here today, which is crazy because we've got 20 inches of snow, like not but a few days ago. So kind of show you. But when you got reverse, it's pretty easy to do. It's this yellow button right here. Hopefully you can see this. Just hit it. It actually kills the motor and then starts it back up in reverse. And then when you go back into kind of forward mode, it does the same thing. Starts it back up, turns it back over. Kind of hang out the sled here to get it to turn. Kind of get it to grip on that inside ski. Don't beat up the snow a little bit. We'll actually go like back across the parking lot here. Probably not through that. Although I bet you want to see me do that. We'll just kind of rip across here real quick. Alright, get it to carve up a little bit. Woo. Actually, I want to get turned around here. I don't have a lot of room to run around, guys, so you kind of feel it dig when you're going slow in the deep snow like that. So this is the 2017 Polaris Switchback Assault. This thing rips. I wish I had room to run it so you can actually see, but we'll be doing a demo day in Prior Lake, Minnesota, coming up pretty quick here. That'll be February 18th, Prior Lake, Minnesota. On Prior Lake is the actual lake. It'll be at Charlie's on the lake, which is actually a bar restaurant right on the lake there. So if you guys want to come out, it sounds like it'll be Polaris. We'll all be there representing Polaris. Yamaha sleds may be there. Articat and Skidoo may be there too. So it'll be kind of a cool time to come out and see new sleds, ride some stuff. I believe you do need to have your snowmobile license on you for the sign-ups, kind of like if you're driving a car or anything like that. So keep that in mind, guys. Again, that's going to be February 18th, 2018. Charlie's on the lake in Prior Lake, Minnesota. It'll start at about 10 o'clock in the morning, go till roughly about 4 o'clock, and then we'll kind of go from there. It'll be fun. Love to see you guys out there. Come out and try out some snowmobiles, have some fun. Hopefully we'll have some more snow on the ground by then too. All right, thank you.